Now, 5 fires in the last 5 years. Ray Ray Market in downtown Kingston bears the bruises and the environment pays the price. More in this report.
Christ is in the vessel and he smiled at the storm.
But there is no storm, just fires. This is the Ray Ray Market now. This was it in January. It's been a cycle of screams of fire, followed by the fire brigade speeding to the scene. But as experts explain, the recurring fires are detrimental to the environment. There has been a fire at the market in August 2018, August 2019, June 2020, February 2022, and January 2023. Artie Dubry is Coordinator of Sustainable Development and Disaster at the United Nations Economic Commission for Latin America and the Caribbean, ECLAC. She says the big question is, what is causing the fires?
To get to the source and to be able to manage it, we will need a proper study will have to be done to determine the cause and, of course, what actions can be taken.
Apart from that, why is an investigation necessary?
To help the surrounding communities and the return of not having a recurring case.
Carbon dioxide warms the planet, contributing to climate change. Environmental specialist Peter Espute says,
burning fires of any kind increases the carbon dioxide in the atmosphere and increases the warming of the earth.
He recommends a no-fire policy in the market, but there's a problem.
People cook, people who sell in the market all they have to eat, and there's usually a part of the market where cooking takes place.
The United Nations Office for Disaster Risk Reduction says the effects of fires can be devastating to the environment. The office adds inadequate resources limit the measures to reduce fire impacts. The vendors at the market struggle to rebuild after each fire.
It was an easy road, it was a rough road, but the still fight the same way. You understand? Still fight and do what you have to do.
The last fire that burned, I lose all my stuff over that market there. 6 barrels of goods.
It is so pressuring. Headache, but we have to just keep strong. We have to motivate ourselves to rebuild each time we get damage.
Every time we get one.
Mr. Espute says the market contains highly flammable substances.
Remove combustible material, and if you're going to light fires for one reason or another, do it in an area that is free from trash.
Officials warn gases from burnt plastic pose threats to vegetation, human and animal health. Wood-burning emissions also threaten lung health in humans. Javon Keys, TVJ News.